Hello everyone, my name is Archana Bharti and I am a trainer in ICICI Foundation. Today, in Basic English, under sentence construction, we are going to learn about pronouns. Our objective of today's learning is to understand pronouns along with its example and to also know about the classification of pronouns along with their usage in our daily life conversation. So, let's start. We have heard about a word pronoun. What is that word means? Pronoun is a word which replaces a noun in a sentence and it helps us in avoiding repeating the same nouns again and again. Now, moving on towards the examples. The examples are I, me, my, mine, myself, you, your, yours, yourself, it, its, itself, he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, we, us, our, ours, ourselves, and they, them, their, theirs, themselves. Let's see all these examples one by one. First is I, me, my, mine, myself. We use these pronouns when we talk about ourselves only. For example, I am fine, look at me, my client is here, this is mine, I take care of myself. Here, we can see and notice that we are talking about ourselves. Next is you, your, yours, yourself. These are used when we are pointing out some other person. For example, you are right, I want your file, what's your is mine, take care of yourself. Here, we are pointing out some other person. Next is it, its, itself. These pronouns are used when we are talking about something which is non-living. For example, it is a good day. Keep the file in its drawer. Here, we are talking about day and drawer and both are non-living things. Next is he, him, his, himself. We use these pronouns when we talk about any particular boy and for avoid using his name again and again, we use these pronouns. For example, he is smart. I help him. It's his right to say something. Here, we are talking about a particular boy. Next is she, her, hers, herself. As he, him, his, himself are used for boys, these are used for particular girl. For example, she is in office. It's her birthday today. Sita's idea is better than hers. Here we are pointing out a particular girl. Moving on, next is we, us, our, ourselves. When we are talking about any group and we ourselves are included in that group, then instead of taking everyone's name in the group and to address them together, we use pronouns like we, us, ours. For example, we live together. Come to us. It's our day. Their meeting went just like ours. Here, we are talking about a group and we ourselves are included in that group. Now, next and last are they, them, theirs, themselves. These pronouns are also used for addressing a group, but the only difference is that you are not included in that group. For example, they liked us. Let's get them some help. This is their house. Pay for theirs too. Here also we are addressing a group, but we are not included in that group. Now, as we have understood about the pronouns and its examples, now we will move on towards the forms of pronouns. But before that, I would like to say that these are only some of the examples. You can also prepare your list of examples by using internet, newspaper or magazines. Now, moving on towards the forms of pronouns. Generally, there are three forms of pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. First person indicates about the person who is talking. Second person is the person to whom first person is talking, and the third person is the person about whom the first and second person are talking. For example, I am talking to Deepika about Rakhi. Then here, I will be the first person talking to Deepika. So Deepika will be the second person and we are talking about Rakhi. So Rakhi will be the third person. In first and second person, there is no bifurcation about male or female, but third person could be male or female both. It can either be singular or plural too. In any of the sentence, we come across subject, object, or other things too. Here we can see that I is treated as subject, but when it becomes object, it becomes me. In second person, you remains same as in object too. In third person, it is also remaining as it or its, as we are talking about a non-living thing. In third person, we can see that it is bifurcated among the male or female, and first person, second person, or third person can be singular or plural both. In others, we can use myself, yourself, itself, himself, herself, ourself, yourselves, and themselves. The examples are: I did this myself, I myself did this. Please take care of yourself. It, alarm repeats itself on its own. Here we are talking about alarm, which is a non-living thing, so we are using it. Aryan dressed himself in his finest clothes. She smiled to herself, enjoying the dance. It's nice to have the house to ourselves. You should be kind to yourselves. They were trying to keep themselves warm. These are only some of the examples, but as I said earlier, you all have to prepare your own list too. You can pause the video and you can note down the example and forms of verbs too. Moving on, let's watch a video. In this video, we will check pronouns in the conversation. I hope with the help of this video, you would have understood pronouns in a better way. Now, as I said earlier about singular and plural forms, we can understand it here too. When we talk about first, second, or third person in singular, we use I, me, mine, mine. Or in second person, we use you, your, yours. And in third person, we use he, she, it, him, her, his, her, hers, its. And when we talk about plural, we use we, us, our, ours in first person, you, your, yours in second person, they, them, their, theirs in third person. It was about subject and object. And in case of other, for first, second, or third person, we use myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. And for plural, we use ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Now, it's time for some home assignment. What you all have to do is to go through the paragraph and replace the nouns with pronouns. I know you all can do it so well, as we have understood about the pronouns and its forms too. You all have to do it as early as possible and send it to us. That's all from my side. See you soon in my next video. Till then, thank you so much and have a good day.